One of the most powerful features of a programming language is the ability to manipulate variables. A variable is a name that refers to a value. Let's have a look at this assignment statement. The first thing I'm going to look at is the equal sign. Now this is very different to the equal sign in mathematics. This is called an assignment token. And that is the symbol that Python uses to assign a value to a name. So to the left hand side of the assignment operator, which is the equal sign, is a name. To the right of the assignment token is an expression, which is assigned to the name. When reading or writing code, you shouldn't be going name of box is equal to 3. Rather say to yourself, name of a box is assigned 3, or name of box gets the value of 3, or name of the box is referenced to the object 3, or name of box refers to object 3. So we shouldn't really say name of box is equal to 3, because that doesn't really mean the same thing. If we ask Python to evaluate a variable, it will produce the value that is currently linked to that variable. So in this case, name of box, it will output number 3. And to see that, we can click on Run and Run Module. The great thing about variables is that they are variable and we can change or update them. We can make more than one assignment to the same variable. A new assignment makes an existing variable refer to the new value, and in essence stop referring to the old value. So here we have name of box has been assigned 3, and then that has been changed or updated to 4. So if I run this module, we will see it will print 4 at the end. So name of the box has now changed from 3 to 4. There are a number of different ways in which we can update or change the value of a variable. For example, if I say x is equal to 3, and I now say x is equal to x plus 1, if I now print x, we will have an answer of 4. I could of course change this completely and say x is equal to James, and if I now say print x, it will come up with James. I could of course change this completely and say x is equal to James, and if I now say print x, it will come up with James. If you try to update a variable that doesn't exist, you get an error because Python evaluates the expression on the right hand side of the assignment operator before it assigns the resulting value to the name on the left. What you can do is you can initialize a variable and set it to 0 if you'd like. For example, we could say y is equal to nothing. And what we have now done is initialized that variable. When we add 1 to a variable, it's called an increment. When we subtract 1, it's called a decrement. Sometimes programmers also just refer to it as bumping the variable up or down.